Imagine this situation. You are working in the US on an H-1B visa. Your visa renewal is delayed. You are stuck in India for months. You are not earning in India, but suddenly Indian tax laws knock on your door. Sounds unfair. This is now a real issue faced by thousands of H-1B professionals. Let us simplify this. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This presentation is brought to you by Synergy Business Advisory Group, Noida, a multidisciplinary professional services firm delivering end-to-end advisory solutions across business consulting, startup and growth advisory, CFO and financial management services, insolvency and restructuring, PMLA and profit advisory, and real estate consulting. Under Indian tax laws, if you stay in India for 182 days or more, you may become a resident for tax purposes under Section 6 of the Income Tax Act 1961. Once that happens, your global income may become taxable in India under Section 5, subsection 1 of Income Tax Act. You may face double taxation risk subject to relief under Section 90 of DTAA provisions. Compliance requirements increase significantly under the Income Tax Act and rules. And remember, this is happening not by choice, but due to visa delays. Synergy Business Advisory Group, we advise H-1B holders and NRI to navigate complex tax law and regulatory challenges, including the following, with clarity and confidence. Taxation of US salary in India, Section 5, read with Section 9. DTAA, relief between India and USA. Foreign tax credit optimization, handling income tax notices or assessments. In many cases, proper structuring can legally reduce or even avoid double taxation. This is CA and insolvency professional Praveen Agrawal signing off. Looking forward to seeing you all in the next video. Thank you.